Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Ever wondered if you really need thousands of rupees to start investing? What if I told you that with just 500 a month you could build serious wealth over time? Yeah, 500. That's less than what we spent on one weekend outing or a single food delivery splurge. But here's the twist. Most people think investing is complicated, risky, and only for the rich. That mindset, it's what holds people back from growing their money smartly, and honestly, it's just not true. This video is not about trading stocks, gambling on crypto, or any of that high risk stuff. It's about something way more stable, more consistent, and something even students or first time earners can start with SIP or systematic investment plan. Maybe you have heard the term before, maybe not. But here's the thing, SAP is not just a buzzword financial influencers throw around. It's actually one of the most beginner friendly and powerful way to invest money in India. So in the next 8 minutes, I will walk you through exactly how it works, why it's so smart for small investor, and how you can set up your own SAP in under 10 minutes. Let's get started. Let's start with something simple. Why do so many people recommend SAP to beginner? Because investing when you are just starting out can feel overwhelming. Stocks go up and down, there is always some market news, and you do not want to lose your hard earned money. That's where SAP steps in as a total game changer. Yeah, SAP lets you invest a fixed amount of money regularly, monthly, weekly, or even daily into a mutual fund. That's it. No timing the market, no starting at chart, no financial degree required. And the best part, you do not need a big amount to get started. Most SAP let you begin with just 500 a month. That's like saying, hey, instead of spending this on two coffees or a pizza, let me put it into my future. But here's what makes SAP super smart. It uses something called rupee cost averaging. What does that mean? Simple. When markets are low, your SAP buys more unit. When markets are high, it buys fewer. Over time, it balances out your cost and reduce the impact of market volatility. So you do not need to worry about is the right time to invest. SAP take care of that for you. You just set it and forget it. Also, SAP builds financial discipline. Since the money is auto-debited from your account every month, it becomes a habit. Like a monthly subscription, but instead of entertainment, you are subscribing to your own future. Another cool part, you can increase your SIP as your income grows. Start with 500, then move to 1000, then 2000, it grows with you. Still wondering if it's worth it? Here's your real world example. Imagine you invest 2000 every month for 10 years through a SIP, assuming an average return of 12% per year. You could end up with 4.6 lakh from just 2.4 lakh of invested money. That's compounding growth at work. And if you keep going for 20 years, you could be sitting on over 15 lakhs, all from small, consistent steps. The earlier you start, the bigger the impact. Because in investing, time is your biggest ally. And SAP help you use time smartly by getting you in the game consistently. So how does a SAP actually work behind the scene? Let's break it down. When you start a SAP, you are choosing to invest a fixed amount of money into a mutual fund scheme at regular intervals, usually monthly. That amount is automatically debited from your bank account and invested in the mutual fund you selected. Now, what does a mutual fund do? Basically, it pulls money from many investors and put it into a variety of assets like bonds, stocks, or both, depending on the fund type. So when you invest through SIP, you are actually buying units of that mutual fund every month. Here's the cool part. These units are bought at the current market price, which is called the NAV or net asset value. Since the NAV changes every day, the number of units you get for the same amount of money also changes. Let's say you invest 1000 every month. If the NAV is 50 this month, you get 20 units. If the NAV drops to 40 next month, you get 25 units. Over time, this variation average out your purchase price. This is what we call rupee cost averaging. It's one of the smartest thing about SAP. You do not have to worry about is this is the right time to invest. You are actually buying both in high and low markets. This keeps your emotions out of investing, which is where most people mess up. Another powerful concept SAP uses is compounding. It means you earn return not just on your original money but also on the return you have already earned. Over the year, this effect snowball. That's why SAP become more powerful the longer you stay invested. The longer it rolls, the bigger it gets. And don't worry about commitment. SAP are super flexible. You can pause, stop, increase or decrease your amount anytime. No penalties, no drama. Some funds even let you skip a month or adjust your date. So in short, SAP is like an automatic growth engine. No stress, no timing. Just a slow, steady, smart investing. Let's talk about the real benefit of doing a SAP beyond just number. Number 1, you build a habit of saving. When you set up a SAP, money automatically leaves your account every month and gets invested. This creates a powerful habit. You are basically saving and investing without thinking twice, like brushing your teeth or paying your phone bill. Number 2, you reduce stress. With SAP, you are not glued to market news or worrying about crashes. Because you are investing consistently, regardless of the market, you avoid panic decision. SAP takes emotions out of the equation. Number 3, you do not need timing scale. Let's be honest, most of us do not know when the market is high or low. SAP eliminates the need to time the market. Instead, you average out your buying price over time automatically. Number 4, small amounts grow big. With the power of compounding, even small SAPs grow over time. 1000 a month might not feel like much now, but over 15 or 20 years, it can turn into lakhs without you even noticing. Number 5, it's flexible and customizable. You can increase, decrease, or pass your SAP based on your situation. Got a bonus, increase your SAP. Low on cash, pass it for a month. It adapts to your lifestyle. Number 6, it fits every budget. SAP is for everyone. Whether you are a student, a salaried employee, or self-employed, you do not need a big income to start. Even 500 a month puts you on the path to wealth. Number 7, it's make investing boring in a good way. You do not need drama or big swings. SAP make your financial journey slow, steady, and surprisingly rewarding. In short, SAP is smart because it makes investing simple, automatic, stress-free, and scalable. You do not need to be a financial genius, you just need to be consistent. And the consistency is what builds wealth over time, quietly, powerfully. Even though SAPs are simple, a few common mistakes can reduce your gains, or worse, make you give up too soon. Mistake number 1, stopping SAPs when market falls. This is the biggest one. When the market crashes, people panic and stop their SAP. But that's actually the best time to keep going. You get more units at lower price. It's like buying your favorite product on sale. Why stop? Mistake number 2, expecting fast result. SAPs are not magic wands. They work best over long periods. Think 5, 10, even 20 years. If you expect big returns in 6 months, you will be disappointed. Long-term patience win. Mistake number 3, not increasing your SAP over time. As your income grows, your SAP should too. If you stick to the same 500 for years, you are limiting your future growth. Gradually increase it to stay ahead of inflation. Mistake number 4, picking funds blindly. Not all mutual funds perform the same. Don't invest just because your friend told you. Use apps or sites that shows fund ratings, past performance, and risk levels. Mistake number 5, skipping months or stopping yearly. Missing contributions break the power of compounding. Stay consistent even it feel boring. Avoid these mistakes and SAP will reward you. Starting a SAP is actually way easier than most people think. Step 1, choose a trusted investment platform. There are many apps like Grow, Zerodha or Paytm Money where you can start a SIP in minutes. Step 2, pick a good mutual fund. Look for one with solid long-term returns and low expense ratio. If you are unsure, start with a large cap or index fund. Step 3. Set your amount and date. Pick how much you want to invest. Start small like 500. Set a date that matches your salary cycle and you are done. That's it. One time setup, lifetime benefit. So now you know SAP is not just for finance nerds or wealthy investors. It's for anyone who want to build wealth one step at a time. With just 500, a little passion and the right mindset, you can start your journey towards financial freedom. No stress, no guessing, just consistency. If this video helped you understand SAP, hit that like button, share it with someone who needs this, and subscribe for more simple money tips that actually make sense. And hey, drop a comment if you have started your SAP already or plan to today. Let's grow together. Thanks for watching and see you again.